Good morning, student. Welcome to your online biology class. Student, in the last previous classes, I have completed all topics of chapter respiration in the animals. I think respiration in the animals or living beings or living organization. So, in this chapter, you are know about what is the steps involved in the respiration. There are two steps: inhalation and exhalation. And and you are also known about what is the anaerobic respiration, what is the aerobic respiration, and what are their end product. And last previous classes, I have also completed the different respiration organism in the different animals. So all of you, first of all, open your this exercise, and I hope you are all revise and read properly at your home. Means what is the difference between the respiration and breathing, and what is the difference between the respiration and photosynthesis. Because I have also completed the respiration in plants. What is the stomatal apparatus? The bean-shaped structure. There is a pore called stomatal pore. This is surrounded by the cells. This is called subsidiary cells. When during the daytime, stomata open and photosynthesis process will continuously completed. But during night time, there is no photosynthesis, only respiration. Plants also respire and give carbon dioxide and take oxygen during the night time. During the daytime, both process, respiration and photosynthesis, both processes are found. Now students, there is an oral question. After completing this chapter, this topic, there is a oral question answer. Question is given in your book. So all of you open the oral question of the last topic. After the last topic, I am also taking the book for the explanation of the question. Today is 16th of December 2020. Class 7th, Science, Biology. Today's topic, oral questions. Okay? Please wait. The page number 153. 153. So write down direct in your book with the help of pencil. Don't use pen. Name the main respiratory organ in mammals. You know, student, write down first. Answer first. Lungs. Second, which cells form a thin layer on the outer surface of the roots? Which cells form the thin layer? You know, plant expire by the three parts: from roots, from stem, and from leaf base. Okay. So leaf base, there is pore is found. This is called stomata, and in stem this is called epiblema, and roots this is called the epiblema, and small pores this is called the epiblema and pores, small pores which is found on the surface of the last tip of the roots. Okay, this is called the lenticels. Okay, lenticels are found in the stomata and epiblema. You can see page number 152, epiblema. EPI EPIBLEMA. EP breed. EPI EPIBLEMA. Third, where does respiration in plants occur? Where does respiration in plants occur? Okay. In mitochondria. This is a cell organelle found in the cell, plant cell. In animal cell also, mitochondria have powerhouse. Mitochondria is called the powerhouse of the cell because it provides the energy. Name the respiratory organs in young green stems. Name the respiratory organ in young green stem. Okay. So respirator are name the respiratory organs in young green stem. By leaves, stems, oh sorry, stem. This is called the lenticels. Lenticels. Fifth, when do both respiration and production occur simultaneously in plant? When do? Okay, during. When do both respiration and photosynthesis occur simultaneously in plant? During the day and the night. During day and night. During the day and night. First during the day, then in night. You can complete this. Okay. Now student open the exercise of this chapter. Exercise of this chapter. So the number of chapter is the 10. So I am going to change the topic. Summative. SUMMATIVE. SUMMATI. Summative. EXERCISC. Student, answer already given in the back side of your textbook. You can see, but I will explain and clear your concept. I am not asked you to write down the all answer to see the back side of your textbook. Explanation and clearance of concept is very important during the online classes. Okay? Very short answer question, 1 mark. Write down direct. No. Write down in your classwork copy. After, then you will write down in your fair copy. Okay? So make 2 copy. And student, listen. When I ask you to submit your notebook of biology, so don't come in your in school. Please send your notebook with your and through your parents or any elder person. Okay, in the school for the correction work. Okay, your half yearly syllabus, I don't ask to you to send the all chapters. This is not important. This chapter, 10 chapter, before sending your notebook, please check your all answers and their spellings. Okay, when I ask you, I am giving a message in your WhatsApp group. So send your notebook through your parents in your school office. I will check it. Okay. Name the process of taking oxygen in the cells, using it for producing energy and removing the gaseous waste. You know, student, what is called this? This is called please wait. You can write respiration. Name the process. Okay. You can write down. Name the process. Number 1 answer is respiration. Second, what is the number of breathing per minute called? Per minute का breathing rate. BREATHING, breathing. This is called the breathing rate. This is generally 16 times per minute. Question. How does the air we breathe enter the lungs? How does the air we breathe enter the lungs? You know the main organs of the entering of the oxygen in the lungs through trachea and bronchi. THROU through TRACHEA and BRONCHI. TRACHEA and BORCHI. Okay. Fourth, name the respiratory organs of frog. Generally, 2 are when they live in water and when they are land, because frogs live on both land as well as in water. So write down skin and lungs. Fifth, where does this person occur in plants? In mitochondria. Write down in your copy. I think you have completed this. Now I am going to your next section B, short answer question. Okay, very short. Now short. Section B. Question is that name the two types of respiration. What is the basic difference between the two? Write down. I am not going to write down question, student. You will write down the question in your free time. Please left 1 or 2 lines according to question in your copy. Okay, in your classwork copy. Answer first. Write down. There are two types of respiration. There are two types of respiration. NAME, namely AEROBIC, aerobic, and NAEROB, aerobic respiration. Second part of this question, what is the difference? Write down the basic difference between the two types of respiration. The basic difference between two types of respiration. Okay, two types of the respiration, that aerobic respiration takes place in the presence of oxygen, whereas NAERO, aerobic respiration, takes place in the absence of respiration. Okay, now you can write down. absence of oxygen. Write down, student, fast. There are two types of respiration, namely aerobic and anaerobic respiration. You know, student, you can use your own word in the examination. The basic difference between two types of respiration, that aerobic respiration takes place in the presence of oxygen, whereas or while anaerobic respiration takes place in the absence of oxygen only. Okay. Now, the second question. I will complete in this space only. Second answer. I am going to read the question. What happened to the ribs and the diaphragm during inhalation and exhalation? No, student. During inhalation means when you taking oxygen, the ribs expanded, okay, and the volume of chest also increases, and diaphragm goes the lower of the abdomen, and the pressure will decreases of the thoracic region. So write down the answer number 2. During inhalation, okay, during inhalation, the ribs move up, okay, and outwards, okay, and the diaphragm moves down, and the diaphragm moves, moves down, okay. Now change the paragraph. During exhalation, okay, the ribs move down, and and the diaphragm moves up, and the diaphragm moves up, just opposite of the inhalation. Write down this, student. Okay, now I am going to give the homework. Write down today's exercise of chapter 10 in your notebook. And learn. Student, I think you all make a new copy, because when you submitted your copy, so this is not possible to write down the question answer. So please submitted your first copy or correction work and make the new copy, but don't submitted your classwork copy, means homework copy. Okay, so all of you will submitted your previous copy, and today this chapter number 10, make in the another copy, and write down the answer number 3, short answer, and this is the homework bio. Okay, write down and mention the date in your diary. Student, write down this. I will give in 1 minute more. Okay, you can see all the answer and compare in the textbook. All answers are given. I will mention the answer in the book also, in the long question or whatever the given very easily type of the answer. I will make you mention it in your book and write down in your free time. Thank you, student. Have a nice day.